uJacinta yena uthe abo my friend badayisa izinto ezibolile, abo my friend badayisa into ezi-expirile, abo my friend babhizi bayazikhandela bona izinto abastoke kulezi ndawo ezi-reputable ezinama-policies and procedures. Abo my friend badayisa izinto ezi-poisonous. Abo my friend badayisa izinto that are not fit for human consumption. Okay, maybe, you know, uJacinta has got a point. I mean, she even went as far as to wear that t-shirt to the March and March protest where she put pictures for those little children that have been supposedly unalived ngoba badle ukudla kubolile, ukudla kupoisonous, kudayisobo my friend. Okay, fine. Umbuzo uthi beniyofunani ke nibhizi nilutha izinto sabo my friend, ngoba those are the very same people that you say are selling these poisonous goods. So why were you looting their goods? Beniyozifunani ngoba zibolile, out of date, poisonous, they are not fit for human consumption, bayazikhandela. But those are the very same goods that you are going to loot in the middle of the night. Ngiyabona nje ukuthi ayikho lento enye. Nangu umunye ubaba nakule video olandelayo. Ubaba yena, they looted all his stock worth over 1 million, and then on top of that 19 local people that were employed by that shop are no longer employed. 19 people have been affected. That's 19 families, 19 homes. And kulebo 19 lab, I'm sure bakhona abanye bebanama room that they were using that rental income to sustain themselves, because we all know that le mali bayitholayo yamasasa is not enough. They were using the rental income to sustain themselves. Kuthiwa akusafuneka abantu barentayo, fine, niyalutha lama